In this video, I'll show you how you can change your monitor's refresh rate. Now this is really important, guys, because it makes it much smoother if you have a higher refresh rate than if you have a lower one. Now for most people, they can do it without any software, just by pressing right click and going to your display settings. Head over to the advanced settings, and in here you should be able to change your refresh rate. Now my monitor only goes up to 144, but you might have a monitor that goes even higher. So just select the highest one, that's what I would recommend. And if you don't have this right here for some reason, you can usually download the NVIDIA control panel and you can do it from in there. You can get this from the Microsoft Store or from the official website. But like I said, for most people, it will be right in here. And make sure you choose the correct monitor up here if you have different ones. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.